In a small village in Jamaica, Miss Clarice always locked her doors tight. One night, as the clock struck 12, she heard soft footsteps on her veranda. When she looked outside, no one was there. The next night, the footsteps came again, louder this time. Miss Clarice's cat hissed and ran off. She whispered. Suddenly, a shadowy figure appeared by the mango tree, glowing faintly under the moonlight.
Miss Clarice.
The spirit said softly in patois.
Watch your back.
The very next day, news spread a man from the village had gone missing near the mango tree.
So tell me, do you believe in midnight visitors? Drop a comment below. And please don't forget to subscribe.